Hello everyone, my name is Vladimir and I'm going to tell you how to install Eclipse plugin for programming Arduino IDE. So I would like to begin with a small trick. I really recommend for you to use cloud such as OneDrive, for example. There's also of course Google Drive, Dropbox, and maybe Apple has something similar. And the point of this is as follows. If you have more than one computer, you can install the Eclipse on the cloud, and if you have very similar setups on the both computers, you don't need to reconfigure or install anything. So let's say first you work on one computer, then you need to go home and maybe you like to bring a breadboard with you to program more, then you can do that freely without changes a lot of setups, and most importantly without needing to upgrade your codes. So let's begin. First make a folder. We like to have all the Eclipse, and as I said, Eclipse is not installable software. It's just basically a folder. You don't need to install it, you just put it out there. The first step will be installing all the necessary components. Let's see. First we go install Arduino, the original software, and we need Arduino IDE, and we're looking for version 1.6.5. Let's see. 165. Here we go. Windows installer. I'll pause it. Continue later after it's downloaded. Or actually, let's just watch how it's downloading fast and nice. All right. Oh, yeah. Of course, I installed it already. So this is my folder, as you can see. It's basically simple installation. You just click next, 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 next. Okay, okay, and that's it. Nothing else. All right. Next step will be to install Eclipse. Let's see. Eclipse. It calls the newest version calls Neon. All right. Oh, actually, don't really need this part here. We need only the C++ plugin. Let's see. Eclipse Neo C++. Yeah. All right. Is this correct? Packages. Yep. So it has Windows, Mac, and Linux. I'm on Windows, so I'm interested in this one. Just click here. All right. Download. I'm poor, so I'm not gonna download anything. Yeah. As you can see, it's just a zip file. So while it's downloading, what I'm recommending to do is to make a new folder, right? Call it, for example, Eclipse Neon 2 in my case, since I have already one. So it's empty, as you can see. Then I'll open the archive. Okay. Track the Eclipse. This is the beauty of Eclipse. As I said, you don't need to install anything. Just have a folder, you put everything there, and that's it, and forget it. Alright, so let's download it. Now I can open it. Alright, this is the same situation. I strongly recommend to use the workspace based on the cloud. So let's see, where's my cloud? Here's my cloud. So I like to have it Eclipse. Yeah, I'll make new. So make new. Yeah. So Eclipse new on work space 2. Alright. Right, we're not editing this. The next part, we're gonna go to Eclipse Marketplace. Type here Arduino. We're interested in this part, in this one. I tried this one, it didn't work on my computer. Maybe you'll have better luck. But this one seems to be more robust and it works on my computer. Yeah, press install. Wait a bit. Accept everything. I mean, we have no choice. So, yeah. Right there. Yes. Yes, restart. Alright. So, that's it. We install this. Now we can have this button, new sketch. Well, it's not really finished. Now we need to go to preferences and set up some parameters. Like right now, Arduino folder is not found. Okay, well, let's find it. My Arduino installed in program files, as you saw previously. So it's here, Arduino. Alright, okay, now everybody's happy. You also most likely will have error that you don't have makefile. So in order to find it, you can just push here. What is the make thing? It will put you to some video with a happy guy. You don't need to watch it. All you have to do is just copy this link here. And hope that your browser will not freeze. Okay. It's maybe because of recording. Okay. Do it old school with the mouse. So, yeah. So as you can see, I downloaded this previously. So what you need to do is to find the make. This one. Yeah, well, there must be no one, but it doesn't matter. So you copy it and put it in your Windows folder. Here's my Windows, and I just push it past. And you can see here's my make. Here's the make file. See, I added today, and it works pretty well. So yeah, now you have green on the both parts. Good, but it's not over yet. Next, we need to go to file types and add new file types. I'll just delete. Oh, yeah, it's completely new, so I don't need to delete anything. Yeah, so you need to add these ones. I know. Choose make it source, C++ source. All right, and also .pd source. All right. Okay, good. Now let's test this thing out. Oh, one more thing. You can check if you after you connected your breadboard Arduino. The breadboard we ordered it's Arduino Uno, so you can go to your device manager and check if it's correctly connected. See here, this is my USB serial COM3, so I know where it's connected. It's at yeah, COM3. All right. So I'll make new sketch. Press name test one. All right. I'll make it default COM3. I choose Uno. Next. And there are some possibilities you can make. You can make CPP. You can also make sketch, from example. And the sorry, the most problems I had was the INO files. So we just start with let's start with sample since it's making INO file. Let's make basic and then blink. Okay, finish. Let's see what's gonna happen now. All right, it made something interesting. Good. Let's compile it. This is the build button. At some point, it will ask you if you need this, and you'll say no, and it will disappear. You don't really need it because when you push upload, it will build the sketch as well. So as you can see, there's an error. I don't know why, but this always comes after you install the Eclipse first time. So what you need to do, you need to open core, go main CPP, open this main CPP, and then build it. And then for some reason, I'll verify it. Sorry. And then after you verified it, magically everything works. I have no idea what it is, but that's how it works, and we'll just be happy about it. All right, so let's build it again. We can just send it directly. So do you send? Yes, we want to send. All right, that's it. And the beauty why you want to have Eclipse is because of this feature. As you can see, we can roll over each function and will tell you exactly what to do and what does it need. So if I would like to add, let's see, digital, well, I can push Control Space to auto fill the blank. It will tell, oh, do you want this? Yes, I want this, and fill it up. So this will really help you to save time by typing correct functions. Okay. Also, I would advise not to use INO files. I would advise to use the CPPs like in C coding. And the only difference would be that you have to add here include Arduino or other libraries. I'll just demonstrate this. Let's make new sketch. Like test CPP. Again here. Come. Uno. Next. CPP. Okay. Next and finish. Alright, as you can see, now we have a new file. It's completely empty, I believe. Yep, see now it has include test CPP. And now what you can do, you can make your own headers and make your code look very, very nice and pretty. Like as I remember, most of you know how to program C++, so you don't need to have all the functions and their descriptions in one place. Makes code looks much readable and easier. Also, you can hide very important components of it. So if you struck a gold, people cannot just steal your code without having proper components of it. And let's see how this will compile. Okay, it's building. Okay, now we can send it to Arduino. As you can see, the speed is pretty much the same, whether you work with INO or you work with the CPPs. And yeah, If you have a lot of projects, you can just right click on them and say build project, or if you want to open all project, you can just push import, export and such. So yeah, that's it. I hope you will not have any problems installing this software. It's really great and it works very well. And yeah, uh, as you can see, there's descriptions for each button that you open. So I don't think you'll have big problems learning how it works. So yeah, thank you very much for being with me all this video, and have a good day. See you in class. Bye.